Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sweta from Sai Ayush Ayurveda. So this is summer season, right? Many people are suffering because of too much heat in the surrounding and also in their body. So we are getting many complaints about skin disorders, hair fall, everything. So today I thought, okay, we will give some preventive measures to fight against all the skin problems and hair problems. So I thought I'll just tell you some preventive measures that you can do to prevent or fight against all these skin disorders and hair problems occur in the summer season. So mainly everybody's body is getting too much affected with heat, right? So to prevent that, we need to do some cooling therapies. Okay, so one of the cooling therapy is Abhyanga with cooling oil. So you can take Chandanadi Thailam. For example, you can take Chandanadi Thaila, which gives a cooling effect to your body. So you can apply Chandanadi oil to the body every day and take bath after that. Previous videos I have discussed about the benefit of Abhyanga. So in this particular season, if you apply Chandanadi Thaila to your body, it gives a cooling effect to the complete body and also enhances the circulation in the body. So this is one of the preventive measures to fight against the excess heat in the atmosphere. Another one is that applying lepas. So with cooling dravyas like aloe vera or chandana powders, you can just mix it and just apply to the entire body. So you have observed that when you're going to temple and all, when you apply this chandana on your forehead, you feel a cooling effect, right? So just imagine that you're applying to that to your whole body. That gives you a cooling effect to your body. So that is one of the preventive measures for the excessive heat. Another is Shirodhara. So Shirodhara, every people are having so much of stress. With that, heat increases. Apart from that, now the environment is also having the same situation. So taking Shirodhara with any cooling agent such as kashayas or thailas or even buttermilk, that is takra Shirodhara, that prevents the hair fall and reduces the stress level, improve the sleep, and these are some of the effective things that Shirodhara can give into your body. And when you compare Shirodhara, even body also can have a dhara, that is Kaya dhara, with the same things such as kashayas, buttermilk, takradhara, which is giving a cooling effect to the body. So whichever I have told before, these are some of the things you can do to prevent the complication caused by the excessive heat.